So Cal, shall we have some fun?
Nah.
Alright then. So we've had an early start. Carl's come over at 8 o'clock in the morning. Thankfully I usually get up very early anyway. We're going to the skate park because it's now empty to test out our remote control cars. But obviously because I'm doing a video on this one, which you can't see because my hand's in the way, and I just dropped the battery, donut. I forgot what I was going to say now. Yeah, going to give this a blast and test this out.
There you go.
So,
yeah, it's going to be fun.
what's with the bandana?
Keep my ears warm.
Oh, right.
Nothing's nickable.
In the centre there.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Let's go there. Let's start off there.
It's only come unclipped, it's alright.
Has that come unclipped or did you pull that out?
Oh, that's come out. Oh, it comes come out there, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's just that it's probably the lights or something.
Or something.
Or something, yeah. It still works.
Yeah. I will say, Carl, you do look fitting for this with the bandana on. You look like somebody out at Beastie Boys. It's not.
It looks like it is.
No.
Don't touch this. It's good, isn't it? It's a good look. Well, it's a look. Anyway, let me show you my socks.
What a random thing to say.
Not really.
No.
They're heated. And they work by Bluetooth.
Bluetooth socks?
Bluetooth socks, yeah.
Oh, right, that's just ridiculous.
I know. Why is it not coming on?
Have you got them on now?
Yeah. Yeah. Battery pack in there.
What the hell?
Let's just clear that out. They should still be on.
Actually, that's a pretty genius idea, isn't it?
Yeah, well, I've been using heated socks when I've been kayaking for a while.
Have you?
Yeah, with little batteries in. But then Jim got these with that work by Bluetooth, so you can control them from within your dry suit.
No, come on, Carl. You've just been tagged, haven't you?
Tagged?
By the police. You've got a tag on.
Yeah, I've got a heat tag.
Yeah.
Tagged by the heat.
Tagged by the heat. Where's me?
Yeah, they're quite cool. Well, actually, they're quite warm.
Warm, yeah. We're doing.
Yeah, I've got all the good lines. Yeah, they're all right. You just broke my car.
I didn't break you. It says you just dropping everything. Right, that was the skate park done. We're now going to
have some coffee.
Coffee. Have some coffee. Oh. Right drop of good, as me.
Right drop of good. Especially whiskey.
Yeah. See that gap there in my teeth? I ended up having a tooth infection and having 2 teeth removed. Gonna get them fixed, but I just thought I'd point that out in case anybody was wondering and maybe thought that I had some toffee or licorice stuck there. No, I've had 2 teeth taken out. And yes, I look ridiculously handsome still.
Canal basin.
Canal basin.
Canal basin.
We're off to a basin. Right, let's go. You got a heater on?
Yeah. Hey, this is cool. Look at me. I'm a gangster. Ah, shit.
You actually look like a washerwoman with that on your head.
Washerwoman.
My mum used to wear them when she was doing decorating at home.
But she didn't have a fancy paisley one. Well, this is a bit busier than it was on Boxing Day.
Yeah, well, it was shut on Boxing Day. It's actually busier than it was when we arrived.
Yeah.
Have you had... What?
Left or right?
Right. You're right, left.
My right, left?
I said, you're all right, left. Have you had it out then?
Not in public, because the last time I did, I got told off.
The jet
I spent a night in the cell.
boat.
Yes, yeah.
I knew you were going to say that.
I had it out. Left or right? Left or right?
At the next set of traffic lights, I'd like to take a right, following the A19. Right, you failed your test.
I hit a speed bump at less than 20.
Yeah, but we're not racing RC cars. You don't have to take off on them.
Paddles, boats,
Boats.
remote control vehicles.
Oh look, we've got some tractors up there.
Yeah. Is there some kind of shindig going on?
Yeah, it's tractors.
Tractor shindig.
There, huskies.
I see the spaniel didn't get a mention. Poor little bastard.
Little spaniel. Tractors.
I wondered if it was against the farm tax, family tax.
Ah, yeah. The family farm tax. Interestingly though, they still pay less than what we do inheritance tax.
It's an ongoing business, isn't it? I mean, they are right. If you screw up the farmers, you screw up the food source.
Well, of course.
But then, but you can't have, or can you have, one rule that applies to one and not to everybody else?
Yeah.
I think that's where things starts to get sticky, isn't it? But there shouldn't be taxing inheritance stuff.
No.
At all. The families work hard all their lives in order to be able to pass something on to the kids. Granted, it gets a bit sticky when you're talking about the super wealthy, and
yeah.
But then again, if the original people that earned it, I don't know. I don't have any of the answers.
No.
All I get is more questions.
Yeah.
Turning left here, aren't we?
Yeah. Anyway, it's not about politics, is it? It's back to the
politics. In that sticky parrot.
Yeah, it's politics.
Politics of
Are you doing it out on here then?
No, in the canal basin itself.
Or the canal basin itself.
So after the swing bridge.
So we could park up here.
Ah, here, yeah, and just walk down.
And walk down.
Is there anywhere else?
Well,
I'll have a drive, because I've already gone past it with somebody relatively close behind.
Well, you can turn right here and park up there.
Yeah, I was going to say, can we get a pop just across the bridge here?
Yeah, possibly.
I haven't been across here.
Have you not?
No, new experience. It's always weird when you're paddling underneath it and somebody drives over the top.
Some bloody idiot took a bloody Arctic over here.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh God, I bet that caused a few problems.
Oh, absolute numpties.
So it'd be nice to be able to get into there.
Ah, it gets water in it and that tube drains it out.
Yeah, it's got like a
Siphon.
water.
God, my fingers are frozen even with these gloves on. What's going on?
Yeah, mine are closed.
Oh, there. Oh, shit.
That's why I lashed the camera to the boat.
Yeah.
Oh, he clipped it.
Yeah. I see water comes out the back,
Yeah,
outside of it. Let's do a little jig.
Little song, little dance, little
Du-
socks
du-
under your
du-
pants.
du- 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 du. Du- 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 du.
something like a 5,000 milliamp hour battery in that. Quite a
Is
big
it?
one.
Yeah, it is big, is that? That's
Yeah.
pretty much what you get in your phones nowadays. So.
It is, yeah. So I don't know how much, with it being double propped, I don't know how long it lasts.
Lasts for.
Yeah. Again, untested.
Untested. Did. Unplug me. Yeah. God almighty, it's bitter.
Well, you know when it was really freezing a couple of weeks ago?
Yeah.
Push the battery out, look. There's a little
Oh,
cage.
yeah.
Shove that battery forward. Slipped out the mount.
Do it when we get back.
Yeah,
is it?
it's not a...
Your fingers
urgent,
are
urgent.
your fingers look really cold.
You weren't supposed to see that. Haven't lost any body clips yet. Right, okay. Top and down. I was chancing it.
Yeah.
There was no need to prove it.
So you see that pole there? It snapped it. And that's come out. Oh shit. No, that's snapped. Isn't it? Oh bugger. Yeah, that's snapped. Oh well. Again?